Hi, my name is Nadya Lutz, and I'm talking to you about vagus nerve again, cranial nerve 10. Again, it's one of my favorite nerves because you can have significant impact just by upregulating this nerve. It goes behind your throat from your brainstem and it attaches to all of your different organs. So in this video, I am going to go ahead and use one of my acupuncture patches, and I'm going to go ahead and place it right behind my vocal cords. It can be anywhere along here. It can be on your sternum, wherever it feels good. You can just play around with where it feels good. So I want you to take a deep breath in your nostril and then out your nostril. Both of these things should calm your central nervous system. However, let's add a lot more so it happens quicker, okay? If you have a scan device or you have access to your inner voice, or you don't, if you don't, let me know and we can get you a scan. If you do, you're gonna go ahead and just record your voice for 10 to 12 seconds. You can say your name, you can say the ABCs, you can say whatever you want, and it's going to propagate a 4 MP3s for you. And we can go ahead and start stacking this to calm the central nervous system down. Here's my report right now. And I'm going to look at my reports real quick to see which color might be balancing. And it is the blue color. So again, all these things are optional. You can do the patch with the inner voice. You can add the blue glasses, which from my reports I learned is my balancing color that popped up first, right? So I'm just going to stack them on, but if you don't have them, don't stress, just do one, do anything. That'd be great. You can just even listen to the inner voice. So I'm putting on my blue glasses. We learned in the other things that you can hum because your vagus nerve goes behind your throat. So I can add in humming. I can add in tapping. So now what do we have going on? We're going to be listening in a second. We have one. We have glasses. We have patches. We have humming. We have tapping. We have 5 things going on. This will just calm the central nervous system down immediately. So let me go and show you what this circus looks like, okay? I'm going to press my tones. I'm going to turn up the volume because I had it down. It's nice and soothing. Remember nostril breathing, actually 6 if you do nostril breathing, because that calms the central nervous system down too. So inhale and hum and tap. I'm trying to exhale as long as possible to downregulate my central nervous system. I'll show you one more time. In the nose. I'm going to stop here so I don't bore you to death. But that's a lot going on, right? It's so fabulous. And I feel so much better. I was getting tired of doing all these videos. Now I'm ready to continue with them some more. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need a scan, let me know. We're here to help you and help you feel better. Thanks.